So today we draw a cute cupcake. So first you draw a mini cup. So please follow the pattern how I draw. Okay. So I draw step by step and please you follow the step. Yes, it's nice. And please fill the ice cream. Yay! Yay! Wait. Yay! Wow, so cute. Please fill eyes. Wow, so cute. Please, we also draw a mini cone cake. Yay! Yay! Which one is your favorite? Please comment. This side we also draw a cupcake. No, it's not a cupcake, it's a cone cake. Yes, you feel the ice cream. Tantana! Ice cream is ready. Now we go to the coloring. So feel the flavor. Yay! Yay! Mm. We draw a similar type of cake. Not a cake, it's a ice cream. So draw flavor. So beautiful or not? Please comment. What you want to draw? Please comment in the chat box. I draw in the next video. Yay! It's a cute cake. It's a cute cup. It's a cute cone. It's a beautiful or not? It's a beautiful. I know. You also like it. Yay. It's look like cloud, but it's not a cloud. It's a ice cream. Wow, beautiful. Add some cherries. Ting ting, ting ting, ting ting, ting ting, ting ting, ting ting, ting ting. Ting 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 ting. So cute.